1958 Impala. Doesn't get any better than this. I want to show you this beautiful 1958 Impala we've got in here at Drager's Clubhouse. And I got to tell you, it's an outstanding car, and it's had thousands of dollars spent on it. It was a reconstructed car. It was totaled, I guess, way back down in Oregon, I assume, because it had an Oregon title on it at one time. Anyway, they put it all together, and they did quite a job on this thing. I don't like these wheels personally myself, but a lot of people like them. I'm thinking I want to put chrome wheels on here with wide whites on here, but I haven't changed them yet. So you got to look at this interior. This is a leather interior here, front and rear, and these back seat, they did a rounding on here. They formed it around. There's a lot of work to put an interior in like this, and then it's in real leather. It's just gorgeous, and it's got an ostrich headliner in here. I think it's not a real ostrich skin, but it looks like ostrich. So I wanted to show you this. Got a 454 Chevy big block in here, and you got air conditioning. You got power steering over there. You got power disc brakes on there. It's disc brakes on the front, drums on the rear, and I don't know if you can see this or not, but if you look down in here, you can see the top of this frame, and it's all boxed. They boxed this whole frame. Now, Andrew already did a video of the underside of this, and so I just wanted to show you the highlights. It's like the frame you can see up in here. It's all boxed, just like I said it was, and it continues on here, and it gets really interesting here. When they did this thing, they made a tunnel that went over into the upper area and the floor in there, and I got pictures of the inside that show that where they build it up. So they wanted to strengthen this whole frame in here to make it much stiffer. And look at this back end back here. Look at the 4-link suspension they put on the back here. I just wanted to point out a couple of things on this car that are just outstanding in the way it was done. The rear end and everything, it's just a beautiful, beautiful car. It looks like brand new underneath here. And the other thing about this thing, this was finished in 2010, and we bought it from a gentleman that bought it in Portland, and he kept it in his collection over in eastern Washington, and we could tell he never drove it. There was not a splatter or anything underneath here. It was clean, basically like you're seeing it right now. You like this car? You want to see it? Give us a call. We'd be more than happy to show it to you.